You have these. Okay, so first rule was adjectives of nationality are always placed after the noun, and the second is adjectives of nationality are always bound to follow the rules of number and gender. So you got to put an extra e for feminine nouns and an extra s for plural nouns. So for example, you've got restaurant, which is a masculine noun. Restaurant होता है French में, and the French restaurant you want to say. So I've told you that it has to be in the format of the restaurant French, right? So you will say, obviously, see, for masculine nouns you put le as the article. The is le for masculine singular nouns. So it is obviously le restaurant, and then French के लिए जो form आएगी वो masculine singular वाली आएगी, which will be français. Don't make it française. It's le restaurant français. Français. Okay, le restaurant français. Could you please repeat that?
Le restaurant français.
That's right. And
So,
then, yes, Anjali?
Divya, if the noun is like a female noun, like if it's a maison.
I'm picking it up, don't worry. I'm coming to that. Okay. So this was just for the masculine form, but right now I have a feminine noun for you, which is cuisine. Now cuisine is a word for dish, which is a feminine noun. Dish hoti hai. Okay, cuisine hoti hai. So you want to say the Chinese cuisine, for example. Okay, you will obviously say it in the format of the cuisine Chinese, which will make it la cuisine. Cuisine is just the same word in French, la cuisine. And then comes Chinese के लिए उसकी feminine वाली form, it will be chinoise. That अगर यहाँ पे the Chinese restaurant होता, ठीक है, what you would have done was le restaurant, and then you would have taken the masculine form of the nationality and removed this e. You would say chinois. So that would be le restaurant chinois. Is that okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how to know whether a word is femina or masculine?
See, for the beginning, you will need to just remember, you just need to keep in your mind that this is a masculine noun. Like for me, when I was at your stage, similar stage as right now you are, I used to keep in my mind that, okay, हिंदी में जैसे कि रेस्टोरेंट होता है, हिंदी में भी होता है, फ्रेंच में भी होता है, ठीक है? ऐसे ही है ना, हिंदी में भी जो inanimate objects हैं, they have been assigned a gender. So I used to keep those in mind. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि हिंदी से सारे ही सेम चलते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि जो हिंदी में मैस्कुलिन है वो फ्रेंच में भी मैस्कुलिन ही रहेगा. सो यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ फिगर आउट दीज डिफरेंसेस. राइट नाउ आई एम ओनली गिविंग यू द वंस जो कि हिंदी के थ्रू आप फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? जो अनयूजुअल वाले होते हैं उसके लिए व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज आई हैड मेड 2 columns on the last page in my French notebook. I wrote masculine and feminine, and whenever my trainer gave me a word which was, you know, different, unusual, Hindi ke comparison was different, I used to note it down in that particular column. Next time, whenever 2-3 times I needed that word, I would refer to those columns. I used it, and slowly it started embedding in my brain, and it's very easy. ओके, सो दीज आर द ओनली वेज. इसके अलावा कुछ एंडिंग्स भी होती हैं वर्ड्स की, स्पेलिंग्स की, कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स की स्पेलिंग्स की एंडिंग्स होती हैं जिससे आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. बट अल्टीमेटली इट्स ऑल अ मैटर ऑफ, यू नो, द फैक्ट दैट वेन एवर यू कम अक्रॉस अ न्यू नाउन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, just always make a habit to consider its masculine and feminine, and try to, you know, kind of absorb that word into yourself. Okay, this will come with time, but yes, this requires some practice. Okay, anyway, right now you have the restaurant French, the restaurant Chinese, so le restaurant chinois. Chinoise नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So this is how it works here. The Chinese cuisine, la cuisine chinoise, not la cuisine chinois. So grammatically it won't be correct. As non-native speakers, if you even say it in front of a native speaker, it's not like a huge mistake. It's okay as for you because you're beginners. But yes, at a higher level, you're definitely expected to not commit such a mistake. Okay? So yeah. Now, right now you have the French cuisine here, la cuisine française. Now I'm gonna say française because it's cuisine and that's a feminine noun. And now you have the third noun, which is musique, which is a feminine noun. Okay, and musique hoti hai. Now this one is unusual. You can note this down in one of those 2 columns, feminine वाले में, क्योंकि हिंदी में तो music होता है ना? But in French, music hoti hai. Now, this is one thing you've got to remember. It's la musique. It's not le musique. Okay. So, if I wanted to say the English music, what will I say, Abhinav?
La musique anglais.
Okay. So that will be anglaise.
Anglais.
Right? La musique anglaise. Okay. And if I wanted to say the French music, Harsh, what will I say?
La musique française.
Yeah. Okay. So la musique française.
Française.
Yes, la musique française. So you can't say anglais and français with it because musique is a feminine form. Okay, therefore la musique anglaise and la musique française. Okay, now I'm coming on to another word that is culture. Culture. Please repeat, everyone.
QQ.
Yes, culture is a feminine noun. संस्कृति होती है. This is also one of the ways that I used to do it with because हिंदी में अगर आप ऐसे सोचे कल्चर होता है, हमारा कल्चर, हमारी कल्चर तो कभी नहीं सुना होगा आपने, पर हमारी संस्कृति जरूर सुना होगा, right? Because that's actually the Hindi thing. So you will be very kind of amazed to know that most of your French grammar is close to the Hindi or the Punjabi language. उसकी जो grammar है, English तो बहुत ही different है. Okay, so yes, culture is la culture. And now, if you wanted to say the Indian culture, what will you say, Anjali?
La culture indienne.
That's right, la culture indienne. Okay, so it's Indian. You can't say la culture indienne because it's a feminine noun. So la culture indienne. And Harsh, how will you say the Japanese culture?
So la culture japonaise.
Okay, la culture japonaise. Culture.
La culture japonaise.
That's right. That's right. Okay. So these are the things you got to remember. One more word that I'm giving to you on your Skype chat right away is la langue. La langue. Now, if you wanted to say the French language, what will you say? There's two things to take care of. First thing, adjective.
Noun comes and then adjectives
After the
come
noun.
later.
Second thing, if it is a feminine noun, you got to add an extra e for female, and if it is a plural noun, you got to add an extra s. Okay, so this is la
Yes.
langue française, right? अब एक बार वो बनाओ the English language. La langue anglaise.
The langue anglaise.
La langue anglaise. Please note these two down. La langue française and la langue anglaise. Note them down.